At that time, y'all. Y'all in the kitchen with Drew. We finna cook and we finna cook some good ass food. You feel me? So tonight on the menu, garlic baked pork chops. I'm gonna go and pull that out of the refrigerator. I already got a season. I'm explaining y'all what I seasoned it with just a second. So you know, pre-season is the best thing to do when you want to taste that good ass seasoning in your food, especially when you're baking chicken, pork chops, stuff like that. So yeah, always use lemon foil too. Make sure you do that. Always lemon foil when you season. About a good hour, you know. And I didn't get the video earlier because I pre-seasoned it, but I showed a little short clip on my channel, but I didn't show y'all the seasoning, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to the seasoning and let y'all know. First thing, I use a little bit of mint garlic, no matter what brand you get, you know. Great value, you know me. Hey, it tastes the same. Little seasoned salt. You know, you always go with the garlic powder and the onion powder. Got to. Salt and pepper as usual, you know. Season it up. I was gonna fry it, but I decided to go ahead and bake it just to give y'all a little twist to it. Y'all can't taste it, but I will. But you know, it's gonna be good. So as y'all can see, you can look on that. With the minced garlic, I kind of spread it over and then kind of rubbed it in throughout. That's another little trick I do. I always get my knife when I'm cooking, like pork chops, chicken. Get a good season throughout all of it. I always get a slice through the middle. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna go ahead and get a slice through the middle. You know, if you can cut it all the way through, it really won't matter. And y'all may think, what a bone in the pork chop. These had bones in them, but I like to do it. I like to cut the bones out before I cook them, so that way I don't worry about no bone problems. You know, you don't want to eat it straight up. You ain't got time to bite no bone. You want to just get into it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing tonight. We're getting straight into it. Yeah, like I was saying, just cut a slice through the middle. How you do chicken, like breast fillet, I like to do all my meat that I bake like that. Or you can get 1 or 2 slices. Just so we can get all the season through the meat and stuff like that, you know. Y'all may have done it before, but this the way I do it. This the way I cook it when it's baked. I'm gonna slide through the middle and get all that season throughout. So every bite, you're gonna taste all the season. All the season. And you can't forget that. Slap your mom just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit. You don't want to slap it too hard, just a tad bit. And when you're doing something like this, you don't got to season both sides. Stick to one side. When you do that, slap your mama, because you don't want to put a little layer on one side. It's going to cook through with the slice in between. It's going to get in through all of it. All that. You feel me? And then on my sides, I got yellow rice, Noah's. I know y'all know about this out of Walmart. You can get a CVS, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and what, for $1, you know. Still taste the same. So you go buy some hot rice, I salute you on that. Big up to you. But I'm going to stick to this yellow rice and my sides. Got my broccoli florets. They was split broccoli spears, but what I did is I cut them up. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to put them in my rice. Give it the extra twist. And when it turn out, y'all gonna see how it looks. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and put these off in the oven for about 35, 40 minutes, you know. On 425. We'll just don't waste too much time because I'm kind of hungry, so you know, I've been thinking about this all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. Future person, use this, but been doing so long though. I know when to use it, know when not to use it. So, yes, sir. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead. You know what? Go ahead and turn this on. Get this broccoli going. Put it on about 6 or 7, not 5, 6 or 7. At medium high, you know, not a broil though, but about a 6 or 7. You know, if you want to, you can buy the florets, but I prefer by the spear, so you can have an extra stem left over. You can cut them up and chop them up and make your broccoli rice, you know. You can add it any size you want to use. Whatever you like for your liking. Whatever you prefer. I prefer, in Drew Kitchen, I prefer to cut them up. Now these ain't parsley, now this ain't whatever the green onions. It's just stemmed off the broccoli. That's gonna go on our rice in a minute. We'll get back to that in a second. But when I do my broccoli, I like to steam it. And when it comes to a boil, just in a second, I'm gonna add a little garlic powder to it. Give it that fresh smell to it. And it's gonna be good. As that being said, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab that rice. Go ahead and right quick, let y'all show just how quick that steam and hit that. Ooh. Go ahead and add that garlic powder. You know, not too much. Enough that you can, you know what I'm saying, when the steam come back up that top again, when it's ready, you'll get that good old garlic smell. You might make it, but that's what you want though. That's what you want. We're gonna set the top back on and turn down a little bit. Now we're gonna leave from 6 to 7, we're gonna take it down to about 3 to 2. Small boil, you know. You go ahead, you know, when you cooking this rice, they got ingredients on the back, but you know, in my kitchen, my ingredients, not on the back of this. So get you about 3 tablespoons of butter. I ain't gonna season it just yet. I'm gonna let it get going first. And you put that out on about 6 to 7. Packs take 10 minutes, but I like to do it a little bit quicker, which is still working, it's still good. But trust and believe, it'll be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Go ahead and get the pot. You know, just. Oh yeah, you know. Hey, cook tip. Clean as you go. Cause when you eat, you ain't gonna wanna clean them damn dishes. Look like I mean a good old dishwasher. But on the other hand, clean as you go, man. Clean as you go. It makes it a whole lot better. Whole lot better. So I'm gonna put the top on this. I already got my butter in there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give it a little quick stir. I like to use my spatula, so when I'm stirring, the good old juices slide right on through and it stick to all the rice. You know what I'm saying? You know, I ain't trying to do no fancy advanced cooking. You know, y'all know me. I'm gonna do it like I do. I'm gonna go ahead and put the top back on that. Get that thing good going. These broccoli, they about ready. They about good and ready. You know, you don't want it to get too soft. Soft, but not too soft. This ain't mashed potatoes, so you know you don't want it to get too soft. Yeah, so you know what I'm saying? These about done. You don't want to get too soft. So you go ahead. Put it out here. I like to put that broccoli in the drainer. You know what I'm saying? You can put it right in the pot. No matter how much you got. But I like to put that in the drainer. Get a good old drain. I ain't cooked too much, you know, I ain't got a big old family, so it's enough to show y'all what it do. You know, I like to strain it and keep it straight. You know what I'm saying? Drain a little too much. Put that thing off in that bowl like that. Let them sit for a minute. And one thing about me working in the kitchen, the spatula, I use this broccoli, so guess what? I ain't using it for the rice. I'm gonna now it's time for the spoon. I just stir it up. Now it's time to get that spoon for that rice. But you still want the spoon with the hose. Trust and believe me. May seem known, but it's a reason for doing it. It's a reason for doing it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that broccoli off in there. Some broccoli cuts, I'm gonna throw them off in there. Get a little, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, this ain't parsley, and this ain't green onion, and it ain't celery. Throw them off in there like that. Make sure you get all of them. You want all the broccoli, you pay for it, you want to use all of it, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm gonna get a little, while that boil down, get a little garlic salt. Garlic salt. Not garlic powder, garlic salt. Dab a little there. Like the nigga say, dab a little bit. Not too much. And a little onion powder. A little onion powder. When it get done, I'm gonna put a little cheese in there. But don't put it in there while that water's still boiling, because you're gonna melt the cheese. Your cheese gonna be water. Who like water cheese? Nobody. That I know of. And you see how it got the color in it? You know, we got the, you know, that's what you want. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. That's what you want when you're cooking, man. For real. Get that about another 5 minutes. Alright, so now I got this rice. Go check it out. Now this when you add that cheese off in it. You know, just right. I'm gonna sit it off the hot eye. And this when you add the cheese. You know, you don't have to use cheese, but I prefer cheese in mine because I like cheese. I'm lactose intolerant, so it's gonna mess me up later, but it don't matter. I still like cheese. I'm still gonna put it on there. I eat cereal with milk. I still do it. Lactose. I'm still gonna do it though. But you don't want a whole lot. You don't want, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to cheese it up too much. You know, that should be about enough. And you're gonna get a good old stir. And it's hot, so it's gonna melt the cheese anyway. You know, that's to your liking. I know y'all see that, you know. I know y'all see that. That's what you want. But that's what I want. That's what I'm gonna do. You know, you don't have to use cheese if you don't want to. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit. I'm gonna check my. Now it's time to pull out the old glove, the old hand and the glove. I ain't done the glove, but I got a glove. You know, just to check on it. See that zoom in on it. If you can smell it through the phone, man, I'm telling you. It gonna fuck your nose, I'm telling you, man. It's what you want, man. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, flip. I'm gonna flip them. You know, when you flip them, you hear that little and when you know it coming down. You know it right. I give about another 7, 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Get that thing fire, you know. Like Biscoff said, this my shit. Let them chop done. I'm going to put it out. Get it in. Check out these things, man. Come check them out, man. I'm telling you, come check them out. Them things red ass, man. Good. No, I ain't gonna waste a lot of time. Go ahead and put this thing on the plate. You know, me and my family, we hungry, so I ain't gonna waste too much time on it. Let's go ahead and get this thing right, get it started. You know. Get that broccoli in motion. What I prefer, y'all may not like it, but I prefer put a little ranch on that thing. Knife it. Oh Lord. Y'all know I'm home. I'm a good waster. Go ahead and cut that up like that. Hit it with that ranch. Bro. Thank y'all for watching my channel. I will post the recipe in the comment, in the description below the video. The next time, I'm gonna eat, and my fellas will eat, and I'm gonna relax and watch TV. So, till next time, out.